Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go batamai ka bas bat bidor.
Menteri jong ketenat sam boarding ke sorkar hakajela u James PK Sangma haka live hoterik unai wing arajar arpo ula keno bu unong yelam jong kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula persang ban penlong isu politik ya ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat ban supenmi ya ki jing keno ki bomdon nong rim hae ru habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV u James PK Sangma ula ong susu baki jing keno jong unong yelam jong kaliang persya kalong tang ke jing kento ka bomdon jing tei bat ka bom ai jing mentoy ru em ya ka jing ya shakmat jong ke MEECL ban shakri khambha ya ki pat ba nong song snong jong ke jela.
It's very unfortunate that there are many positive interventions of the MECL. The MECL has done a lot of good work over the past few months, and these are not being appreciated by the opposition. The opposition is very unfortunately just trying to leader of opposition, is very unfortunately just trying to politicize issues and make up issues just for the sake of having issues. You know that using MECL as a milch cow is a baseless allegation, is just a common phrase that he is using, which he may have read recently. But then this is not the way to do things. You do make positive criticism or constructive criticism, we appreciate it. But these kind of baseless accusations, allegations, I think is a big waste of time for everybody.